Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Millennial Mindset, where all things are possible with the right mindset. I want to thank you so much for being here and for liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. And if you see value in this video, I really would appreciate it if you like, subscribe, and share. It is important for me because I am a new YouTuber, so it all counts. And I've listened to your advice, I've seen your comments, and I definitely will not make my intros long. I will get straight into the point, and that's what I've been aiming to do throughout my videos. So without further ado, I'm going to get straight into the topic. So the topic for today, which is something that is very lucrative, a lot of people are getting involved in this industry right now, is the topic of AI, artificial intelligence, and how to make money from having and using artificial intelligence, and also a new app that just came out called ChatGPT, and what is it? So I'm going to get into those details right now. So I'm going to get straight into what AI is, and I will explain what AI stands for. So AI, for those of you who don't know, is artificial intelligence, okay? So it is a field of computer science and technology that deals with the development, the deployment, and the use of intelligent agents. AI technology assists computers to learn, make decisions, and solve problems on their own, which is huge, okay? And the reason it is huge, I will get into that a bit later into the video. Now, getting into a new app that just came out in November. This app is called ChatGPT, and it is short for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, okay? Now, the reason I'm getting into this app is because it is kind of a game changer in the AI technology space. And it is a game changer for those people who own a business, would like to start a business, are content creators, are writers, and could use this service. Students, there's a wide range of people that can benefit from this service. And so there's a reason why has so much buzz around it, and why it's considered, something new and innovative and exciting. So I'm going to get into what ChatGPT is, and we'll get into that right now. So the core function of chatbot, which that's what it is to mimic a human conversationalist, okay? So ChatGPT is very versatile. So it can write and debug computer programs, it can compose music, teleplays, fairy tales, it can compose student essays, it can answer test questions, it does depend on the test, and it can actually answer test questions at a level above the average test taker, which is huge, okay? And it can write poetry, it can write song lyrics, it can emulate a Linux system, it can simulate an entire chat room, and you can play games with it like tic-tac-toe, and you can simulate an ATM. So those are just a few of its features that it offers. Now, I'm going to get into a little bit of the history of ChatGPT, where this came from. It kind of seems like it came out of nowhere, but it didn't. It's just very new. So ChatGPT was launched on November 30th of 2022. So that was just a couple of months ago, okay? So it was launched by San Francisco-based OpenAI, and they are the creator of some other AI systems called DAL-E 2 and Whisper AI. So you can do some research on those other AI systems if you'd like to know a little bit more. The service was launched as initially free to the public, but there will be plans to monetize this service later. I don't know when, I don't have the date of when, but as of right now, this service can be used on your cell phone. So I have my Android. I'm thinking about switching to iPhone pretty soon, but as of right now, on any phone, on any smartphone, you can download this app and use it. And so there is the prediction that they will monetize coming up quite soon. I just don't have the details of when. and it's already at over 1 million users, guys. So there's people out there that are well aware of this technology and they're using it. A lot of people. So that just goes to show you, it's only been a few months, how many people are seeing the benefit of this technology, which is awesome. And the service works best in English. So, for those of you who are English speaking, you can use it in English, but this is the bonus. It can also be used in other languages. So it has varying degrees of success with those other languages, but at least you know that it is possible that you can use it in other languages other than English. So for my worldwide viewers, there is hope for you guys, okay? So now I'm going to get into another part of this video that is also super important: how to make money from AI, from artificial intelligence. Now, I am going to make another video that will discuss even in more detail how to make money. I think I'm gonna call it something like how to make $1,000 a month off of AI, something like that. I've been doing my research and I'm seeing some great things, so I will get into that later. But right now, I'm just going to get into kind of the basics of how you can make money from this system. So you can also make money from AI technology, not only by using the technology, but by investing in companies that use the AI technology itself. So if you can look for new products and services that are up and coming that haven't been released yet, you can make money from investing in these companies very early. So that's something to consider as well. And it can be an excellent way to benefit from the growth of the AI industry, which is expanding and growing right now. This is the future, guys. This is literally what the future is going to look like. A lot of things will be taken over by bots, and you may feel how you feel about it, but we cannot leave ourselves in a position where we're not prepared for what's to come. So why not take advantage of opportunities that this can offer? Even if you don't believe in it, even if you may have your reservations, take advantage of the technology in any way that you see fit. So I will get into also jobs and opportunities that can come out of AI technology, because this is the future. And this has been developing for quite some time, because I wrote an article quite a few years ago, maybe about 4 or 5 years ago, about AI technology and the direction that it is going. And it's already happening, guys. And this was, AI has been in developments for years, but it's really literally manifesting right now. So it's really interesting to see how things are turning out. And it is important to note that while AI has the potential to automate many jobs, it can also create a lot of new jobs. So that's something to consider. There can be a lot of new opportunities and new industries that grow out of AI. So for example, developing and implementing AI technologies that will require skilled workers who can design, build, and maintain AI systems. So that's something that you can look into, maybe taking some courses in AI so you can have some knowledge on how it works and you can actually get into this industry, because it is the future. It is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. Additionally, AI has become more widespread, and it will likely create new products and services that didn't previously exist before. So that could create new job opportunities as well. So something to think about, something to consider. Now, how can AI be used in a way that's beneficial? So AI can improve the efficiency of your business and your business processing. How, you may ask? Well, let me get into it. So many businesses have time-consuming, error-prone, and otherwise inefficient processes to it, as business owners out there would know. So using AI techniques such as machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, you can actually create systems that can automate these processes and make them way more efficient. I'm going to give you an example. So you can use AI to automate data entry, analyze large amounts of data, to identify patterns, or even automate customer service tasks. Now, this is huge for those businesses out there, both large and small, that just don't have the will, the time, and the money to invest in having workers for all these different industries in their business or processes in their business. So you can use AI for this. So that's huge. Now, you can also use AI to analyze data and make better business decisions. Huge. So you can use AI techniques such as machine learning and create systems to analyze the data and help businesses make better decisions. So I'll give you an example. You could use AI to analyze customer data. You can use it to identify trends, to forecast demands for products or services, and to optimize the pricing of products and services. Huge, huge. Okay, I don't even have to explain any further why that's beneficial. It makes sense. Okay, now other ways you can make money through AI, non-traditionally, is becoming an AI consultant. So you can actually make money with AI by helping businesses implement AI solutions. So this is a very easy way to start, and it can be lucrative because it can be a lucrative field of work. So more and more businesses are looking for help in how to implement AI technologies into their businesses. And remember, especially, my channel is called the Millennial Mindset. A lot of us are millennials, a lot of us are Gen Z's, a lot of us are Gen X. A lot of us grew up with technology or are very well versed in technology. So think about this. Think of the businesses that are running right now that have no idea what AI is, don't know how to use it, have nothing to do with it. Think of the people who run those businesses, usually baby boomer generation or older, maybe close to retirement, or they just aren't well aware of this technology because it's so new. A lot of people don't even know about this that are in our age range, right? So think about this. You can literally approach businesses as a consultant and help them identify ways to use this AI technology in their business. And they will have no clue what you're talking about. So that's where you come in. You can explain to them how to use this technology in their business, what ways it can benefit them, and how it can help their business grow. And imagine you will look like a genius, okay? And they will have to depend on you to help them. So think about this as a possibility. One thing I will get into though, as easy as it may sound to just wake up one day and say, I'm going to be an AI consultant, you do have to have specialized knowledge and expertise in this because people are depending on you for this service. So it's not something that everyone can do. So I'll give an example. AI requires specific prompts to produce tailored outputs. This is kind of techie talk for you guys, okay? But for an example, you might need to know how to do text to image, text to text, text to music, or any other AI generation processes. You can learn how to provide precise AI prompts to get the best results. So AI is not as simple as I'm just going to wake up one day and just explain what it is and I can help businesses. You have to know the ins and outs of AI. You have to maybe understand how AI works. You have to understand the technology behind it. So study it. Study it like you would anything else. And then you can master it, and then you will understand it enough to then give this information to business owners out there. So another way you can make money from AI, which is probably the most popular way, is becoming a content creator or an educator. Okay, so you can leverage online learning platforms such as Coursera, and I will put that in my description box down below, and Udemy. And you can create and sell courses about AI technology, about these types of technologies that will be beneficial to people. You can also start your own YouTube channel like what I have, and you can design a course to educate the public on this technology and how to use it and how it works. You can also conduct webinars and provide hands-on knowledge to machine learning enthusiasts for a fee. Of course, you're going to charge for this. So those are just some of the things to consider with AI. And this is just the beginning, guys. This is literally the beginning. There's so much more to come. There's so much more to learn, and there's so much more benefits to this service. So I say this to say, please do your research, look more into this, and I won't disappoint you. I will have another video coming out where I can give you more tips and tricks and ideas on how to make money and to utilize AI technology. This is like the new gold, guys. This is the new generation of gold. We need to jump on this and use it in any way, shape, or form that we can. How it will benefit us is limitless. So, I want to end it there. I will create another video. Like I said, I'm going to name it something like how to make $1,000 a month using AI technology. You'll see it if you subscribe to my channel, and you will get access to all my other videos as well. And if you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe, and I will appreciate it so much. And comment too. I pay attention. I read your comments, and I've gotten some great advice, information. I am growing, I'm learning, so every bit counts, and I pay attention to what you guys are saying. So I just want to thank you so much for being here. I hope this video was of use to you, and until next time, guys,